These lipsticks are so popular for the second year now, but are they worth your money? Let's check it out. Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. Today I'm gonna talk about one of the most popular lipsticks from the last 2 years. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. But before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. These liquid lipsticks are from Dior Rouge Forever Liquid Lipstick. And this one particular, it's in the shade Dazzle. The instructions say, leave the product to set for 5 minutes. Then press lips together to reveal a sparkling glitter finish. Last year, for holiday season, December time, Christmas and all that jazz, these lipsticks were the most popular lipsticks ever. And this year, they are here again, and in new shades as well. What makes these lipsticks so popular is that it's a matte liquid lipstick, but once you press your lips together, the glitters appear. And it looks so luxurious, so festive, no one can resist those lipsticks. And I decided to finally test one of them, because these are super expensive. And yeah, they look super beautiful on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. But how they wear? Is the formula actually good? I'm so interested if the glitters are maybe too chunky, is pleasant to wear it, or it's harsh with all the glitters and it's maybe too dry on the lips. Maybe it wears off awfully. So let's test it out now. I'm just gonna remove what I have on right now. It's so interesting because the first of these lipsticks was the red one, but now there are all these different shades as well, and I've decided to go for something a little bit more unexpected because I have some gorgeous red lipsticks for this Christmas. Let me see with which lip liner I want to pat this lipstick. So let's try with this lip liner. This is from Lisa Eldridge in the shade Sorcery. Okay, let's see. The moment of truth. Also, the packaging is just so gorgeous. It's this year's trend, mixing gold and silver. It looks beautiful. But the price, for me, I think it's actually ridiculous. I really like the applicator. It's so easy to use it. This is the best applicator for this type of liquid lipsticks. And I really like the shade. Because it's still wearable, it's not like the Christmassy red, it's not too light. It's a very, very interesting shade. And I mean, you can still see a tiny bit of glitters if you look close enough. It's not like you can't see the glitters at all. It's like a mauvey brownie shade. I love it. I think it's perfect. I love this shade. I was a little bit worried that I won't like this one at all. It's actually a perfect shade for me. It just works with my skin, hair, eye color. Like, if you are wondering, I believe like I'm a medium contrast. Would you agree with me? I think that we can press the lips now. So the moment of truth. I just need a smaller mirror with me to really see. Okay, let's do this. Okay? Did you see that? I mean, you can see the glitters of course now, but the lipstick just went off when I pressed it together. Okay, now that I rubbed it a little bit, it looks better. I mean, you can see the glitters and it looks nice, but my lips feels so dry and uncomfortable. I cannot feel the glitters per se, but the formula, it's super dry. I think that lip liner actually worked really nice. I've just went back with the lip liner to correct the shape. I mean, it looks gorgeous, but I cannot see myself actually wearing this lipstick. Maybe for a very like short event. I just hate that dry feeling on my lips. But now we can check out how it would work with lip gloss on top. I'm just gonna grab the gloss and apply it on the back of my hand because I don't want to ruin the gloss. I'm just gonna use my finger. You can see the line as well. And just tap it on. Ooh, that looks super nice. Wow, I actually really like this now. Did you see how the shade just changed and become richer? It looks now way more browny than it did before. Before it was in between like mauve and brownie shade, but this is like a true brownie lipstick now. And because of the glitters and the lip gloss combined together, my lips just look beautiful. So plump, big, and just festive as... Wow, I really like this. So the only thing is to test how it's going to wear. I know I've already applied gloss on top, but I mean, if I'm gonna wear this lipstick, it's going to be with gloss on top. Without, I cannot handle the dryness. I'll be back in a few hours and we will see. Like, this is after 8 hours. I had my afternoon dessert and dinner and I'm left with a little bit of pigment and glitters. Of course, the lip liner is the most visible. But my thoughts on these products are that it's just too expensive and too popular for what it is. And if the Kiko made like very similar products, almost a dupe, then I think you should buy those. I hope I can do a comparison video because this is so expensive that the formula just shouldn't be so dry, and I don't know, it looked very cakey. You could see so much texture on my lips. My lips look just so old and dry and, you know, not appealing at all. I think it's way too much to spend on a lipstick like that. If I'm completely honest, I mean, I love the packaging and it is a Dior. But if we can get a dupe, why not? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet, please comment down below what do you think about this product, and you can always donate a small amount with the thanks button down below for a coffee or something like that. Have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Bye.